my motorcycle kept breaking down on the highway, and it was all my fault.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
I had just installed a new battery on my motorcycle. And every time I hit a bump, my screen would flicker off and the bike would shut down. I thought I had some major electrical problem, so I rode up to the dealership to have them check it out. Oh, we got a bike right here. I like that. Is that Triumph? Yeah.
Another one over there.
That's your other one?
Yeah. That was too big. I had a Harley, but I knew that was too big.
Oh, you're putting it on the back.
Man.
They're like your camper?
Yeah.
I got one too.
You do really?
Yeah. And you travel different states and stuff?
Yeah, I'm from Oregon.
Oh, nice.
I'm originally from St. Louis.
See you.
Yeah, take care.
Bye. Thank you. And I can honestly say, with this setup right here, all I do is sit my, hey, how you doing? Hello. All right, my screen just cut off again. So it's like when I hit a bump, my screen cuts off, and then I have to select CarPlay again, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So with me hitting bumps and making it disconnect, I'm thinking that something is not wired correctly, and I've never had issues like this before, and so I'm thinking maybe I didn't tighten my battery or put the stuff back the correct way. I don't know.
Destination is on your left, Gateway Harley Davidson.
Alright, your positive looks good.
The negative needs to be tightened a little bit more.
So what is up there? I'm gonna check something up here. Make sure we got good power. So you said your screen was flickering?
The technician took one look under my seat and he found the problem immediately. I didn't tighten down the battery terminals all the way, so the connection was loose and it was causing the terminals to burn. But it's really only when I hit a bump.
Okay, so yeah, that would be the negative lead. That was a little loose. I did get some turns on that.
It was a little loose too.
That one seems to be just spinning.
Oh dang. That might be the problem. Alright y'all, so Jerry just took a look at my bike. Basically he tightened the negative side up and that needed to be tightened a little more. Then he tried to tighten the positive side. And he said it keeps spinning, so it never stops spinning. So he's gonna take this off and see if we can figure out what's going on or what I didn't hook up correctly. So this screw is a little dark, and that means it's getting hot. So I don't know what that's about. But it could not be something serious, all right?
Right, yeah, probably nothing crazy. Just it's not seated properly, so it was arcing right there.
Oh, there.
So you can see here, it did melt the washer on that screw.
What the heck?
Yeah.
So it's good I came up here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my god, I could have started a fire.
Not really. It would just melt the terminal.
Okay.
The battery here would start to literally melt.
So you think that could be the reason why the flickering on and off?
Absolutely, yeah. Let me go ahead and get a fresh screw. I'll be right
And
back.
all of this is in the right spot, right? Red. So it's all in the right.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is all good here. Or it could be that the threads on that battery could be bad. Because when I was twisting it, it was just twisting. It wasn't getting tight. So yeah, when you hit a bump, that would wiggle loose, and you'd lose
That's
power.
why I was doing it. Oh,
Yeah.
shoot. I thought it was something. So I was like, it ain't serious, but I knew it was something.
Yeah,
loose.
It definitely was. Your negative lead was
good. Actually,
Okay.
there was like a quarter turn I could get out of it.
I got a couple of new screws. I got everything tightened down correctly. And just like that, the bike was back to normal. So I learned a valuable lesson. Always tighten down all of your screws. Make sure everything under your seat is seated the way it was supposed to be. Everything flat and in place. I didn't do that, and that was the problem. Oh, Garrett just put this back together. Hey, so we finna ride. Hopefully we don't cut off again. And Jared rides too. What you ride? If you
I got
tell the people.
Iron 1200 Sportster.
And
So it's all stunted out. Yeah.
Hey, what color?
It's all white. We got the old school AMF paint job, so it's white and blue.
Dang. Stay tuned. I might be doing wheelies. No, I'm lying. But he dope though, y'all. I wish I started. He said he started young, right? Like
Yeah, 9 years old.
doing wheelies and stuff.
Riding dirt bikes, moving to crotch rockets. Now we're on Harley, so you know we're working the ladder up to greatness. You know what I mean?
What's your top goal? Bike goal?
I want to get the Lowrider ST, so I've been eyeballing that bike a lot. So my buddy just actually got one, and I'm super jealous. So.
Hey, dang, stay tuned. Jared might have one coming soon.
Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah.
Right on, man. I appreciate you.
Anytime.
Y'all, he came out here, helped me put this together. If you out here at St. Louis Harley Davidson, come see Jared, because, hey,
Definitely.
good person right here. I'll see y'all. Let's go. What was the most expensive or most embarrassing mistake you've ever made on your motorcycle? Let me know in the comments.
That's when he running the tree.
And then I don't even ride these. I go, wait, where your,
All right, so let
Nothing
me turn it
moving
down.
right
'Cause I got it all the way turned up.
this is crazy.
So this is the, you can adjust the speeds. It's 5
Okay.
speeds. It's on 2 right now, and the front tire is on because it's 2 motors on.
And then where your throttle?
Throttle is right here.
Oh, I was trying to do
Make
this.
sure you hit them brakes.
Now you press that plus button, the speed
Oh
will
no, I
pick
just
up.
want to go right here.
Yeah, and then too, if you hold the throttle down for more than 10 seconds,
Yeah.
you automatically go into cruise control. So you're gonna have to hit the brake to speed it off.
Okay.
Yeah,
Dang, I'm just going right here and turn around.
yeah, you good.
Good luck.
Oh, no! I'm scared.
Nah, it's easy.
Oh yeah, this is great.
Look, she ain't even going nowhere.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn right around.
Go ahead and hit that throttle.
Oh yeah, I'll probably have to be in like 6.
Well, it's in 2, so I mean.
This is great. Hey y'all, stay tuned. I might get a scooter.
You hear me?
No, that's cool. How fast they go?
They say about 30, 35.
Hey, I appreciate y'all watching my videos. We just ran into some subscribers and they let me ride their scooter. It was crazy. So we finna hop on this bike and I'm finna go enjoy the rest of this day. All right, and it's Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth, baby. Let's go.
If you shake it on me, girl, watch how you move.
I'm thinking about a Yamaha. I'm thinking about a
That's a beautiful bike, man. You know, we got some new bikes and stuff coming out, but man, I built this bike to be perfect for me, and I don't think I'm switching. I don't think I'm upgrading. Shoot, my bike is paid off, and it fits me perfectly. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. Do you think I should upgrade to a new bike, or do you think since my bike is perfect, 100% comfortable, I got it made the way I want it, and it's taking me all across the country. I just can't. I don't need to switch. But we finna go get some pizza, y'all. So I was taking y'all with me. Y'all wanna come with me? Come with me to get some pizza. Let's do this. Sorry. Oh, seriously? All right, we got the pizza. It's vegan pepperoni with cashew cheese. Let's go.